Hi friends, I'm Chichu. Today we're going to learn shapes with magical balloons. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow! Look at this big round balloon. It's a circle. Can you say circle? Yay! Oh! Now the balloon changed into a square. A square has 4 sides. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job! Look, friends. The balloon is now a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! This is my favorite, a magical star, so shiny and sparkly. Yay! Today we learned circle, square, triangle, and star. You did amazing, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back to learn more with me, Chichu the Parrot. Bye!